ARITWA kenda baraba kuringithanua na kumuntia MWANKI nyomba ya KUMAMA CUKURUNE ya nthaka ya MIATHENE ikarikari ya tariki 16 mweri jwa mugwanja BAGETA na MBERE KURIGIRUA kiri gituo kia borithi kwa NTUKU 10 chiejite ugambi bubu boritini KOTI atigania kenda kwa borithi kanya gukinyaniria uchunkuni kagitene ukau munene wa borithi rutererwa Eastern Region Paul ROTICH na taririte kuoneka kwa ATHARA ya mamilioni mbeta kumania na MIANKI kiri macukuru jantere ROTICH nkurukine kirite kirore kuthitangwa kwa ARITWA kathomba baraba kuringithanwa na umaramari bobo akiuga omuntu ne akubatara kuongera katharikire kurigiria MIANKI macukuru mukirimithika ari na riboti eje
kaitene kama kareka ya MIANKI macukuru yaitete na mbere okuyerwa ana kenda bacukuru enthake MIATHENE baraba kuthwanirwa kwithie mwe nyumba cia KUMAMA cukuru itariki 16 mweri mwanja mwaka yu ibakinyithitwe kotine na arakoti yeyanite kanya ko baririe tuone kia polisi kia ngundone NTUKU 10 kenda kweyana kanya gochunkuni. Kamishna wa Eastern Paul ROTICH na alikitheti ARITWA kathomba ibaikiri mpene kuma macukuru mwanya kumania makarika ya akiwa murito wenthe urachunkumania MWENYANGIA ya achithira njarene tia watho.
We have been very candid on this. We've made arrests to the students who have been involved and all the individuals who have been suspected to have involved themselves in the illegal activities. And we have positive progress in terms of the number of students who have been involved. And it is very unfortunate, by the way, because the moment a student is arrested for involvement in such a crime, it will have an impact in his or her life for the rest of the period he's going to perform his activities in this country. Because that is a criminal record and it will remain a permanent record.
Kuringana nwe intobia mamilioni kithomba ibiurite makarikene ya MIANKI macukuru kinya kethrote mtwara atotoro nteretia Eastern akiwa ikibarua kia antu bonde kurieria MIANKI na MWENYANGIA ya muthemba yu.
It is very unfortunate that we are losing school infrastructure, and it is a big loss to us as a country. It's not a small matter. We are seeing millions of properties going up in flames. This is a scenario which we were not expecting. Basically, in this country, because of the examination fever, I think it has been historical that we are seeing more school fires, especially during second terms. It was not anticipated for the third term, and it is very unfortunate because it will disrupt learning and destruction of property, and it will cause confusion to the school environment, the candidates, and the country at large.
Kiripotera wero TV kumatiania beta wa mukiri wa mithika.